Class 8th, Subject English, Poem 4.1, The Wait, Chit-Chat and English Workshop. Chit-Chat. 1. Where do we find all animals? Answer. We find wild animals in forests and zoos, domestic animals in villages, cities, and aquatic animals in rivers and seas or oceans, and birds on trees. 2. Do you have a pet? Answer. Yes, I have a pet dog. 3. How do we understand that animals are not feeling well? Answer. We understand that animals are not feeling well from the changes in their behavioral pattern, changes in their eating habits, and their inactivity. 4. Who gives medicines or treatment to the sick animals and birds? Answer. The veterinarian, means animals doctors, gives medicine or treatment to the sick animals and birds. 5. How should we help animals and birds? Answer. We should help animals and birds by treating them kindly. We should care for them and love them. We should feed them properly and provide them with all their needs. Treat them like your friends. 1. Doctors who do special advanced study of specific parts of the body have special terms. In your group, try to match the specialist doctors with who or what they treat. Answer. 1. Dentist, teeth. 2. Cardiologist, heart. 3. Ophthalmologist, eye. 4. Orthopedic, bone. 5. Pediatrician, small kids. 6. Neurologist, brain. 7. Veterinarian, animals and birds. 2. Discuss in your group and write down the most important reason why pediatrician and veterinarian have a together job to diagnose their patient's illness. Answer. The pediatrician and veterinarians have a together job to diagnose their patients like kids and animals mainly because they cannot speak and tell anything about their illness. These doctors have to kindly observe to changes in their behavioral pattern, handle them with great care and examine them with great difficulties. Question 1. Write down the rhyme scheme of stanzas 1 to 3 and the last two stanzas. How does it differ in the remaining stanzas 4 to 7? Answer. Rhyme scheme of stanzas 1 to 3 and last two stanzas is AB AB, and that of stanzas 4 to 7 is AA B CC B. Stanzas 1 to 3 and last two stanzas has 4 lines, whereas in 4 to 7 has 6 lines. Question 2. Write any 5 illnesses of the animals in the poem that you find most amusing or laughable. Answer. 1. The lion has caught a cold. 2. The Arctic fox is suffering from heat. 3. The fever caused by virus attacked the chimpanzees. 4. The panther has a wife who chews his ears. 5. Monkey has pinched his tail. Question 3a. Out of all names of birds and animals given in the poem, pick out 4 names that are similar in English as well as in Hindi or Marathi or your mother tongue. Answer. 1. Zebra. 2. Giraffe. 3. Kangaroo. 4. Chimpanzees. B. Translate the names of zoo animals given in the poem into your mother tongue. Answer 1. Lion, Sinha. 2. Zebra, zebra. 3. Hippo, Panghoda. 4. Bison, Gava. 5. Fox, Kolla. 6. Tortoise, Kasav. 7. Bear, Aswal. 8. Panther, Cheetah. 9. Monkey, Makad. 10. Elephant, Hatti. 11. Chimpanzee, chimpanzee. 12. Giraffe, giraffe. 13. Hyenas, Taras. 14. Rhino, Genda. 15. Kangaroo, kangaroo. 17. Crocodile, Susar, Magar. 17. Camel, Unta. Question 4. Think deeply and write. Is the poet really discouraging the youth from becoming weights? Explain your response. Answer. The poet absolutely has no intention to discourage youth from becoming a weight. On the contrary, he wants to bring to their notice that the weight's work is important for the animals who cannot express anything about their illnesses. He wants to suggest that Wade's profession is noble and is more important than man's doctor. He also underlines the hard work it involves. Question 5. Find out from a vet or from a website that precautions does a vet have to be taken when he or she is called to treat wild, dangerous animals. Make point-wise notes of the same. Answer. Precautions to be taken by a vet when he is called to treat wild, dangerous animals. 1. Restrain the animal properly. 2. Get help from strong men before treatment or examination. 3. Wear personal protective equipment. 4. Securing animals safely can help you to avoid sprains, strains, slip and fall, accident and other physical injuries. One. The title of the poem is The Weight. 2. The poem is written by an anonymous, means unknown poet. 3. The poem has 9 stanzas. First 3 stanzas and last 2 stanzas have 4 lines each, and 4 to 7 stanzas have 6 lines each. 4. The poet is telling us in the poem about the illnesses of animals and the vet who treats the animals. 5. Rhyme scheme of the last 2 stanzas is AB AB. 6. The 2 stanzas of the poem that amused me most are stanza number 5 and stanza number 6.